Live from Nashville, Tennessee, the Grand Ole Opry.
Just this year, we're doing about 240 Grand Ole Opry shows. Each one of those is a 2-hour live radio broadcast that we also multi-track and use for other outlets. Some networks carry our television show. We do about 38 episodes a year of a 1-hour television show that we take from those performances. And as well, we probably do about 15 other concerts where people just rent the room and come put on a concert. This room stays very busy, not just with Opry performances, but with all kinds of different business.
This is industrial equipment. It works every day. I should say it's 5 days a week where it's on the job, and 2 days a week it sits idle but powered. So for 10 years, my Vista 9 did it and never crashed on me on air.
Never had a problem. It's never lost audio, shut down, period, on me. So durability, it just always works.
This room stays busy probably 300-something days a year.
And it has proved an exceptionally reliable piece of gear and very easy to operate. So currently we have a Vista X, and we deployed this one here this January 2025. It replaced a Vista 9 that we deployed in January of 2014. So we have about a 10-year cycle. And so this is the second time that I'm sitting behind a Vista, and we'll drive it for, the next 10 years or so.
The Studers are rock solid, reliable. We also love their sound, that what you put in is what you get out. There's not a lot of coloration to the tones that we put into it through our microphones. And we feel like it's a very clean apparatus to run our signal through. What we put in it, we know we're going to get out on the backside.
The sonics are impeccable, and the ease of operation is really impressive.
The vision the console gives you is better than anything I've ever worked with. As far as for the Opry, this is the best console. The meter bridge is huge. You can see things. It calls to your attention problems or things you're looking for immediately. If somebody's strumming an acoustic guitar that's blowing you up, it takes 5 seconds to get there and take care of it. The 40, 50 encoders per bucket is something you don't see most places anymore. So it's pretty quick to take care of problems and address things.
It's easy to operate, like I said, but really the bigger issue is the fact that I can take a snapshot and and I take a snapshot with all the settings because I'm also responsible to record, so I'm setting levels to tape as well. So I take head amp and I take everything. I want everything to be as exact as possible, and it is.
The Studer gear that we've had is extremely reliable, and we put them through a lot. We have hundreds and hundreds of scenes on each console. I would say that the broadcast console was only 6 months old, and I bet he probably already has 250 or 300 different bands stored in that console ready to go. And since everybody uses the same infrastructure, the same input list, the same everything, they're all stored under one massive file.
It's arguably the most useful thing. And it gets big quickly. My library of snapshots is already in excess of 100 or 200, I think. It doesn't take but a minute because we're passing 6 to 7 different artists in front of us every night. And I use them all.
It's precise, sounds good. I mean, it's clean, flexible. It's very fast. I can put together shows and mixes very quick on this.
Generally, we don't have time for sound checks. We might sound check 1 or 2 bands out of the 8 that are on just about every show. And the rest, we're just depending on the console's recallability and our good file infrastructure where we can find the files that we need at the proper times.
This machine works and works well. No alarms, no surprises. It's exactly the same day in and day out. And if I were to walk into any room or a truck or something like that and see one of these, I'd have every confidence that that's how my day was going to go.
From the very beginning, I've had a long relationship with Studer now, and lots of the different guys that have come through, they've all been very helpful. They've been very supportive. They've trained us when we've needed training, and they've been great to answer questions.
Evertz training and support, we haven't really had to use that much of it. That said, when it's been necessary, it's been great.
I would recommend Studer consoles to anybody doing music mixes or any TV mixes or any kind of audio mixing that they need to do. It's been great for us. It's very reliable. It sounds great, and it's fun to use. It's easy to get around on, and our guys love it.